Okay, serious question.
That already sounds dangerous.
If you met yourself on... Okay, serious question.
That already sounds dangerous.
If you met yourself on a dating app tonight, same personality, same habits, same attitude, would you actually date yourself?
Honestly? Yeah.
That confidence is exactly why I wouldn't.
Wow, we started the podcast with violence today.
No, I'm serious. Most people say they want loyalty, communication, emotional maturity, but if they dated themselves, they'd cry every night.
Okay, hold on. This feels less like a podcast and more like therapy.
Good. Sit down.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Speak Smooth English, the podcast where you improve your English by listening to real conversations.
With real opinions.
And apparently real emotional damage today.
Exactly. Today's question is simple. Would you date yourself?
And if your answer is immediately yes, you might actually be the problem.
Okay, John, let's imagine this. You see yourself on a dating app. First picture, bio, everything. What's your first thought?
Honestly, he looks fun.
Fun? That man replies to messages 6 business days later.
Because I'm busy.
No, because you disappear emotionally whenever life becomes slightly uncomfortable.
Wow, you prepared for this episode.
I did. Research.
Research?
Yes, I observed your behavior like a scientist studying a dangerous animal.
That's crazy.
No, what's crazy is people saying, I want healthy love, then acting emotionally unavailable 24/7.
Okay, fine. Let's talk about your red flags then.
I don't have red flags.
That sentence itself is a red flag.
Okay, maybe I overthink sometimes.
Sometimes, Emma, if I texted you, hey, we need to talk, you would create 47 different scenarios in your head.
Because that sentence is terrifying.
Normal people think, oh, maybe something happened. You think, he hates me, he found someone else, he moved to another country, and now he's joining a monastery in Thailand.
First of all, possible. Second of all, overthinking is not my fault.
It becomes your fault when you start acting weird because of imaginary situations.
Okay, fair. But you know your problem?
What?
You pretend not to care about things because you think emotions make you weak.
That was rude.
Was it wrong, though?
Okay, continue.
Modern dating is honestly exhausting. Nobody knows what they want anymore.
Exactly. People say, I want something real, then panic the second things become real.
Yes, or they play games for no reason.
I hate mind games. If you like someone, act like it.
Thank you. And why do people act too cool all the time? Nobody wants to double text, nobody wants to look attached, nobody wants to look emotional.
Everybody's trying to protect their ego.
And then they wonder why they're lonely.
Facts.
Like, honestly, some people don't want love, they want attention.
Oof, that's true.
They want someone to text them good morning, someone to validate them, someone to make them feel attractive. But the second responsibility appears, they disappear.
Ghosting culture is insane.
Literally. Imagine building a connection with someone, then suddenly they vanish like a Netflix character after season 1.
No explanation, no goodbye, nothing.
At least send a message.
Exactly. Hey, I'm emotionally confused and probably need therapy. That's enough.
Okay, dangerous question. Would your ex date you again?
Absolutely not.
That fast?
Listen, I'm a good person, but relationship me? Different character.
Explain.
I become distant when stressed. I stop communicating. I need space. Too much space.
You emotionally evacuate the building.
Exactly. What about you?
I think I love deeply, but I also expect people to read my mind sometimes.
That is terrifying.
I know. Like, if I'm upset, I'll say, I'm fine. But mentally, I'm thinking, if you really loved me, you would know why I'm sad.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is why men are confused.
Shut up.
Can I be honest?
Go ahead.
I think a lot of people are not ready for relationships.
I agree.
Because relationships expose you, your patience, your ego, your insecurities, your communication problems, everything.
Exactly. People think relationships are just cute dates and matching hoodies. No, sometimes it's, I'm trying to understand why I react this way.
And healing while loving someone is hard.
Very hard.
Because sometimes people want love before learning how to be emotionally healthy.
And that creates chaos. Okay, wait. Important question. Would you survive dating yourself for 1 full week?
No.
Why?
Because I'd argue with myself.
You'd lose.
Impossible.
You literally get defensive when GPS gives you another route.
Because the GPS is disrespectful.
See? This is why you're single. You know what's scary?
What?
Most people spend years searching for the perfect person, but never work on becoming a better partner themselves.
Damn.
Like, everyone wants understanding, patience, loyalty, support. But can you give those things too?
That's the real question.
Maybe the goal isn't finding the right person. Maybe it's becoming someone healthy enough to love properly.
That was actually beautiful.
Thank you. I learned it from TikTok.
Of course you did. All right, everybody. Today's question is for you. Would you date yourself?
Be honest, not confident. Honest.
And if the answer is no, maybe that's not depressing. Maybe that's where growth starts.
We'll see you guys in the next episode.
Take care, everybody.
Bye.